A potato flew around my room before you came.
Alright, y'all, so what's up? I'm just making a vlog real good. Got my brother over here. Tried to prank me many times, but he didn't work. So yeah. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna pretend like I sneezed on my brother, even though I didn't. If you're wondering what I was about to say, what I was saying was, I wet the little thing that I was tickling my nose with a little bit more so it should work. Just like. That's the reason why I didn't want you beside me. Dang, nasty. Stay away from me. I'm sorry. Dang, nasty. I'm gonna try to get it. Stop! It's a prank! Stop! I'm using water. Stop! It's a prank, alright? Jeez! Guys, you almost freaking killed me! Guys, you almost killed me! Corey, it's a prank. Look, I was like this. Achoo! Stop! Oh my god, this dude almost killed me! Alright, y'all. That's it. Man, next time I do a prank on him and try to kill me, I'm gonna slap him. This dude almost killed me. He ran after me. Oh. Peace, y'all. Let's be out. Yeah, I'm gonna drop some bars for you real quick.